Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 2nd May 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market last Tuesday, all three indices traded significantly lower. That is mainly because Wednesday the FOMC meeting is scheduled actually. So if you look at Wednesday, during the FOMC meeting, all three indices traded slightly higher. But after the FOMC meeting, minutes were out, all three indices started lower. But at the closing hours, Dow up by around 87 points, S&P 500 and Nasdaq traded flat with a negative bias. Nasdaq ended 52 points lower on Wednesday, trading at 15,605. So if you look at Monday, we were discussing Nasdaq trading at 15,900, whether Nasdaq will cross the 16,000 mark. But because Tuesday Nasdaq traded lower, now Nasdaq is 400 points away from the 16,000 mark. That is mainly because technology stocks and the chip making stocks were traded lower. AMD stock results came, that is not in line with the expectation, because of which the sentiment around the chip making stocks were lower. Qualcomm, another chip making company, came out with very good result, but because the sentiment around the chip making stocks is lower, Qualcomm stock did not react much. So this is the update about the US stocks for the last 2 days, and Apple results expected today. So we have to wait and watch, but the expectation is it's going to be a weak results for this quarter, because the sales of iPhone is not that great for this quarter. So the expectation itself that it's going to be a weak results from Apple. So let us wait and see. With respect to FOMC, Powell came out with this statement saying that there are two paths for rate cut. One is rate cut and another is rate hike. So the only option left with the central bank is to take up the rate cut path now. So which confirms that the federal government is not going to the central bank is not going to consider the rate hike anymore. So this is the highest rate that they are going to continue, and no further rate hike. But however, because the economy is stronger and the inflation is not coming down as expected, the existing rate of 5.25 to 5.5 will continue for a few more months, and depending on the data, then they will decide whether they can go for a rate cut or not in the future. So however, it seems that there may not be any rate cut till September or for this year, is what everyone understanding is all about now. So let us wait and see. The first data that will decide about the rate cut is this Friday, where we have the non-farm payroll data. So the non-farm payroll data, the expectation is 243k for the month of April. For the month of March, last March it was 303k. So if it is 243k, then it's cooling down, and it's as expected. So this data probably will start driving for a rate cut in the future. So let us wait and see. So this is the update from the US market. So coming back to Indian market, today we had two data points. One is a GST collection. First time we are crossing the 2 lakh crore mark for GST collection, and auto sales data. Because of these two data, Gift Nifty was showing about 40 points higher. And today, if you look at when Nifty opened, Nifty opened a gap up of around 40 points. And today Nifty traded in the range of 22,640 to 22,700. It took this range, and throughout the day it was trading in this range only. Couple of times it crossed the 22,700 mark, but after that there was a pullback, and Nifty was trading in the range of around 60 points, that is 22,640 to 22,700, and finally closed at 22,648. So not much volatility seen in Nifty today. So it took this range of around 60 points and traded in this range itself. And if you look at Bank Nifty traded flat till 11 a.m. today morning, but after 11 a.m. there is a sharp fall of around 250 points. Then there was a pullback actually. Then Bank Nifty was trading around 100 to 150 points lower today throughout the day, and ended at 160 points lower and trading at 49,231. If you look at in Bank Nifty, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank and ICICI Bank traded lower. SBI traded slightly higher. So because of Axis Bank and ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank traded lower, Bank Nifty was down by around 165 points. Mainly Kotak Mahindra Bank down by around 3% today. So buzzing stock today are Federal Bank, Vedanta, Triveni Turbine, Raymond, Petronet LNG and Ashok Leyland. all these stocks traded higher. PSU stocks traded higher. That is mainly because Brent crude trading lower. If you look at some 10 or 2 weeks before, Brent crude trading around $90 plus. Now Brent crude trading around $84. So because of which all oil marketing companies trading higher today. So IOCL, HPCL, BPCL, PFC, Power Grid all trading higher today. Asian Paints, one of the stock dependent on crude price, also traded higher today by around 3%. So Nifty Bank, Nifty Private Bank and Nifty PSU Bank all traded lower today actually. So result impact, Adani Port, India Mart, Cholamandalam Investment Finance all traded higher today, and Blue Star Adani Enterprise traded lower today. So we were discussing about the Nifty range. Nifty range, what we believed or what we assumed for this week is 22,400 to 22,800. So Nifty is trading in this range only. So we are left with one more day. Tomorrow it's a Friday. So hopefully Nifty to continue to trade in this range itself, 22,400 to 22,800. The trend seems to be positive. So for tomorrow I am not seeing Nifty trading below 22,500, but let's wait and see, because it's a Friday. So there might be some people want to close the positions, because of which Nifty might trade lower. So let's retain the same range, 22,400 to 22,800. It's a very narrow range considering the volatility of Nifty and Bank Nifty today, but let's see what happens. We will stick to this range and see how Nifty trades tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.